Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Power Committee ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ne kasngi palay kala aye ka jingmynjur ye ka design jingpinwandur ba thymmai jong udum ka yung dorbar thaw an ka jylla hamau diang bar kum juru ye ka jingmang tingka ye ka nikakam. Kani karai jong ka HPC kalami na ka jingyalang kablalum da ulampang ka yung dorbar thaw an ka jylla u Thomas e sangma ha ka bayade ba ka jingte ye ka yung dorbar thaw an ba thymmai jong ka jylla hamau diang. Ha katay ka jingyalang lawan bani shimenta da umentui rangba ka jylla u Conrad Konggal sangma. Usimbut lampang u Timothy di Shira ki MLA ki bakentup yo ba Charles Pinggroup ba Lakman Remboi ba Bante Dorling do ba Layadon Langru u Chief Secretary ka jylla u ba Donald P. Lang u Commissioner and Secretary jong ka Meghalaya Assembly u Dr. Andrew Simon ba kiwe ki he officer. Hadin balawai ke jingyalang ulampang ke yung dorbar ula pentim ba ula lum ye ke jingyalang jong ka HPC kalong na kebentaban ai jingmynjur ba jingbet ye ke design ka thymmai jong ka dum bar kumju ye ka bahak tingka hadin bakala don ke jingkiu ha ke jingpentrai ya ka kam ula ong ba ya ka te ke design ka thymmai la dep ban bishar nya da ka IIT Rukri bad IIT Guwahati bad ula ong ba menta ke jingte ye ka building kanya nyo shakman ka HPC kala syang ban ai ya ka jingmynjur ya ka design ba thymmai jong ka dum bar kumju ban ai jingmynjur halor ka jingdon kam shu e ka song tingka na marki kam ki bahap ban tray menta ki lanang mi shu ong ulampang hadin ka jing rakhi ya ka EID on sas dangno ya ka jing tray kam ka bapura lo ong Thomas sangma ula pentip baka HPC kalatungi u program monitoring committee PMC katkum ka jingshem jong ka IIT Guwahati ha ka kaipot halor ka jingkhalem udum jong ka assembly ulampang ulaong balabatha ya katanat PWD bad PMC bakin kmi bnya ya ka benta.
High Power Committee meeting, we decide on since we have got the approval from the approval vetted by Guwahati IIT, which was earlier approved by IIT Roorkee. So now the design structure has been approved by both the premier IITs. So the work can resume now. So the SPC sat down to approve, give the administrative approval, and also there were some financial approvals also were required because since the scope of work has also been increased. So these are the few things that we have made decisions.
What about the financial implication? What will be the additional amount required?
No, it's additional amount, not much, but as you see there certain, the scope of work has increased. Because of that, the revision was required. So that has also been approved. So the work can proceed now. And we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome. So certain observations were made by the kind of who had also examined the and tried to find out the reasons for the collapse of the dome. So we have complied with all their observations. Now we have appointed also, we will be appointing a PMC, Program Monitoring Committee. So that's also been done as required, as observed by the Guwahati IIT.
So now that the design has been approved, what is the next step, sir?
We'll resume the work.
By once, any time frame?
Immediately.
What about the debris, sir?
Debris is being removed, so the work will start. And the left wing, right wing buildings are also, the work has not stopped. But for we have to engage laborers from outside. So this is a Eid time. Maybe after Eid, right after Eid, the work will resume full swing. But even now also the work is not left. There are some laborers, but as you can see, most of the skilled laborers are from the Muslim background, so they are having celebrating Eid. So we have to give them time to celebrate Eid. That's all.